not a hotel review, or maybe it is. I just really want to show you where I am. So I'm here at the beach in Jomtien in Pattaya, and I came here without my rig, no camera, no stabilizer, obviously no microphone. I only have my mobile phone, so I hope that you can hear me okay. This is where we're staying. This is the Blue House Beach, and we are staying in this room over here on the 4th floor. And as you can see, it is literally right across from the beach. I'm going to show you inside the hotel quickly, and I want to show you what the room looks like. They have a pool. I haven't even seen the pool. We checked in yesterday, by the way. There's a nice place to chill over here. When we arrived yesterday, we checked in and we had some beer over here with a nice view. The idea of coming here was that we wanted like a really Thai local kind of vacation. You know, staying in 5-star hotels all the time is all good and well, but it gets kind of boring, and we wanted to do something different. Okay, so our room is 1,500 Thai baht per night, and it really is cheap for what you're getting. They do not offer breakfast here, unless you consider beers at breakfast like I did yesterday. This is the hotel where we're staying, which is quite big, by the way. It's got 50 rooms, and then the swimming pool apparently is over here. Alright, so here we go. This is the swimming pool. This is cool. So it looks like we're going to get a bit of a guided tour. We're going to go to the 5th floor. You see, speaking elevator. We're taking a little detour. I'm going to show you our room later. Oh, ห้องนี้ย้ายกว้างนะครับ Oh wow, you see, look at this view. There we go. บังสะเล Golan Yunnan. So that's Golan over there, by the way. This is our room. What's this? You see, very Thai local. Somebody's panty and bras is drying here near our room. So this is room 45. It's nothing special, very basic. The bed is not too bad. The pillows are quite hard. This is the bathroom. The shower is pretty hot, by the way. The TV has poor reception, but we actually found some English channels there last night. And this is the view from our room. How awesome is this, huh? So in the morning, you literally just get up, walk out the hotel, cross the road, and we are chilling right over there where those umbrellas are, right on the waterfront with our feet virtually in the water. There's a wardrobe, and there's space for your bag too. These are my shoes. You see, we don't even wear shoes around here because it's just so beach style. Right, let's go check out the beach. My recommendation, I would say 4th floor or 5th floor, ocean facing rooms. And the staff here are very nice, as you can see from the lady who was showing me around. They're very kind. They really try to take care of you as best as they can. They got some hand sanitizer over here too. They got the screens over here. They also have the temperature check over here too. And now it's the best part, going to the beach. This is so island style or beach style. Soy dogs, they're always around. Ladies selling fruit. And let's go check out our place. And this is where we are parking. You can order beers from here, you can order food, and like I said, it's right here by the water. And the water is nice, very nice. Oh, that's awesome. Look how cool this looks, right? I will send the drone up and then I'll show you around a bit so you can see what the area looks like. They have lots of jet skis and boats with these banana rides and some other fun things to do. look at this. How much more on the beach do you want to be? Candy floss, and I do not know what those are, but the Thai people seem to like it. Toys for the kids. Our food has arrived. It's so nice to have this food right there by the beach. It adds new meaning to the word seafood. This over here is yellow crab curry, one of our favorite dishes. This I'm not sure the name of, but the prawns are so good. The cashew nuts are really amazing. It's got like a sweet and sour taste to it. And of course, this is simply just white rice. It's very convenient to order food from here. They have a menu you can choose from. And there are so many restaurants up and down this road over here. So I'm quite sure that if you do want something specific, like if you want to have pizza, they will just call the restaurant and they'll send a waiter with the menu and take your order from here. As you can see, we can order beer. The beer comes straight from this dude over here, so that doesn't take long at all. The food, however, does take a long time, so they said about an hour. So don't wait till you are very hungry before you order. Order before the time. There are so many vendors coming by. They got some crab, they got some prawns. อันนี้อะไรครับ
อันนี้ปลาไข่ครับ
โรยนั่งหนักครับ
100 บาทครับ
โอเค
พูดไทยชัดเจนครับ
ขอบคุณมากครับ
Happy New Year เด้อ
Happy New Year ใช่ครับสวัสดีปีใหม่ครับ
สวัสดีปีใหม่ครับ
สวัสดีปีใหม่ขอบคุณครับ Thank you ครับ I ordered some prawns which is kung in Thai, and I ordered some chicken drumsticks also fried. These are gai in Thai, and then I ordered some crab also fried, and these are called POO in Thai. Yeah, no, it sounds gross, right? You can really order anything right here from the beach. I'm having an ice cold beer and having a foot massage done with a beautiful view. You can listen to the waves crash against the shore. It's really awesome here.
Orange shoes, shoes, orange shoes, shoes, orange shoes, orange shoes.
And these, if you're wondering, are quail eggs. You can even buy clothes here on the beach. Shorts, t-shirts, vests.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I'm just going to take a quick walk down the road and just see what we can see there. It's definitely a lot busier than what it was yesterday. People are gearing up for the New Year's countdown. The humans are not the only ones enjoying the beach. Hey, I want to show you this bus. Check out all the speakers. So much food around here. These people drive up and down and they sell all different kinds of food. This guy's selling grilled chicken, and he's got some som over there too. cut this refuse truck. Plays music while it collects the garbage along the road. Yeah, it's totally New Year's Eve. This street is so busy.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness in for all.